Hello student, welcome to next lecture for algebra. We are talking about the first chapter and the first topic of that chapter is sets. Now we proceed to the next topic, that is relations. Before that, we know the cross product of two sets. If A and B are two sets, then their cross product is given by the set of all ordered pair AB, where that small a belongs to the set A and small b belongs to the set B. For example, if we consider the set A is equal to, suppose it is xy, and set B is equal to 1, 2, 3, then A cross B is the set of all elements of the type AB where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is equal to, we have two elements in set A, hence A have two choices and B have three choices. This is equal to, consider element from set A, that is the first element of this ordered pair. Second element should be from the set B. Consider any one of these element, suppose it is 1, the next element is x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. These are 6 elements. Observe that A set contains 2 elements, means cardinality of set A is 2. The number of elements in that set is called as cardinality of the given set. In set A, there are 2 elements. Set B contains 3 elements. Hence, the set A cross B contains 2 into 3 is equal to 6 elements. Means, in general, if cardinality of set A and B are M and N respectively, then the cardinality of A cross B or B cross A is M into N. If we find B cross A, then it will be the set of all ordered pair in the form of BA, where B belongs to set B and A belongs to set A. Now the order is reversed. First we take the element of the set B and next is element of the set A. This is equal to, B set contains 3 elements. First element is 1. We can take any one of these elements in this ordered pair. The ordered pair 1x belongs to B cross A. Next ordered pair is 2x, 3x, 1y, 2y, 3y. These are the 6 elements of the set B cross A. Because A contain 2, B contain 3 elements, hence B cross A as well as A cross B containing 6 elements. But both the sets A cross B and B cross A are not equal sets because their elements are different. Number of elements are same but the elements are different. The ordered pair 1x belongs to B cross A, but the ordered pair 1x does not belongs to A cross B. Similarly, all the elements of A cross B are not in the set B cross A. Hence, A cross B and B cross A have same cardinalities, but they are not equal sets. Now we go to the definition of relation. Let A and B are any two non-empty sets a relation R is subset of A cross B. First we find the cross product of A and B. Then we check whether the given set is subset of A cross B or not. If it is subset of A cross B, then we say that R is the relation from the set A to B. For example, if we consider A set is equal to, suppose the set is AB, set B is equal to XY, then A cross B is equal to AX, AY, BX, BY. If we consider R is equal to AX, BY, then R is a relation because it is a subset of A cross B. R is a relation from A to B because R is subset of A cross B. All the elements of the set are first order pair X belongs to set A cross B. Second order pair of set Y, which is BY, belongs to A cross B. Hence, in this case, R is subset of A cross B. This implies R is a relation from A to B. Observe that the ordered pair AX belongs to the set R. The ordered pair AX belongs to set R. In this case, we say that A is related to X. A is the element of the set capital A, X is the element of the set B, and the ordered pair AX belongs to the set R, which is a relation because it is subset of A cross B. If ordered pair AX belongs to R, then we say that A is related to X. Then A is related to X. These are if and only if statements. Ordered pair AX belongs to R if and only if A is related to X, and we write it as A R X. If A is related to X in this with respect to this relation, then we write this as A R X, means A is related to X, means ordered pair AX belongs to R. Similarly, the ordered pair BY belongs to R. This implies B is related to Y. And we write this as B R Y. If some ordered pair does not belongs to R, say this ordered pair AY belongs to the A cross B set, but it does not belongs to the set R. As the ordered pair AY belongs to A cross B, but ordered pair AY does not belongs to R. Then we say that A is not related to Y. If and only A is not related to Y. That is, we write this as A does not related to Y. If some ordered pair belongs to the original set A cross B but does not belongs to R, then we write A not related to Y. That is, A is not related to Y. We take next example. If we consider the same set A and define one relation R on the set A cross A. For example, if A is set of all lines in plane and we define relation R by ordered pair XY, where line X is perpendicular to line Y. A is the set of all lines in the plane. We defining the relation R on the set A. This is relation defined on set A. This R is relation defined on set A means R is subset of A cross A. That is, R is subset of A cross A. Okay. Now this is a relation because this contains the ordered pair xy where x is perpendicular to y. List all possible relations from A equal to ABC to 1. The relation R is a subset of A cross B. We consider this set as B. Having only one element, 1. We have to list all the possible relations from A to B. We know that relation R is a subset of A cross B. First we find the set A cross B. A cross B is the set having ordered pair AB where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is equal to the element A1, B1, C1. These are the elements of the set A cross B. Now we take the subsets of A cross B, the possible subsets of A cross B. Then we will get the possible relations from A to B. R is equal to the set having only one element A1. Suppose this is first relation R1. Second is set having element B1. R3 is equal to the set C1. R4 is equal to the set consists of two elements of the set A cross B, A1, B1. R4, 5 is equal to A1, C1. R6 is equal to the subset of A cross B is B1 and C1. And R7 is the same set A cross B, A1, B1, C1. Remember that the set R which defines the relation from the set A to B should not be empty set because A and B are non-empty set. We are chosen in the definition of relation A and B are non-empty sets. Then we define a relation R which is from the set A to B which is the subset of A cross B. Hence R is non-empty set. We are defining 7 relations from the set A to set B. R1 is the subset of A cross B that contains one element. The elements of the set A cross B are in the form of ordered pairs. We consider one ordered pair in first set R1, the second ordered pair in second relation R2, third relation contains the third ordered pair of set A cross B which is C1, and next this R4, R5 and R6 contains two elements, namely A1, B1, A1, C1, B1, C1 from this set A cross B. And the last relation defined on set A cross B is R7 that contains all the elements of A cross B because every set is subset of itself. Hence we defined 7 relations from the set A to set B. On R, consider the relation R is equal to the set of all ordered pairs xy belongs to R cross R where x square plus y square is equal to 1. Then First is 1 related to 1. Second point, find all the real numbers. Find all the real numbers y such that 0 is related to y. Given that R is subset of the relation R is subset of R cross R, because R contains the ordered pair xy belongs to R cross R, where these xy satisfying x square plus y square is equal to 1. What is x square plus y square equal to 1? It is a standard unit circle. That means circle whose center is at origin and radius 1. Center of the circle is at origin and radius 1. We are considering R is equal to set of all the points xy belongs to R cross R. In plane, we are considering the points belongs to this unit circle, and set of all that points is the relation R, which is subset of R2, hence R is a relation. In first step, we find is 1 related to 1. When x is related to y, if the ordered pair x, y belongs to the set R, we are given that R is equal to the set of all elements xy belongs to R cross R, where x square plus y square is equal to 1. We want to check whether 1 is related to 1 or not. Means we will check the ordered pair 1 belongs to R or not. This R is a symbol for relation. This R denote the set relation which is subset of R cross R. This R cross R is the cross product real number, set of real numbers with itself. R cross R is the cross product of set of real numbers with itself, and this R representing the relation. That means this R is subset of R cross R. 1 belongs to R. If and only when it is possible, this point belongs to this set. If and only if xy satisfying this property, x square plus y square equal to 1, means we check 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 or not. 1 square plus 1 square is equal to, but if we find this value 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2, which is not equal to 1, hence ordered pair 1 does not belongs to R, because if we put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, then the equation x square plus y square gives the values 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. But we want this addition of squares to be 1. Then only the point xy will be in set R, in relation R. Points x is equal to 1, y equal to 1 does not satisfy this equation, because this addition is equal to 2. Therefore, the ordered pair 1 does not belongs to set R. That is, 1 is not related to 1. In second step, find all the real numbers y such that 0 related to y. When 0 related to y means 0 is related to y if and only if 0 ordered pair 0 y belongs to set R. This is possible if and only if coordinates of this point satisfying this condition. If and only if 0 square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, we want to find all the real numbers y. We want to find the value of y. So we solve this equation. This implies y square is equal to 1. By taking square root, we will get y is equal to plus or minus 1. Hence, y is equal to, if y is equal to plus 1 or minus 1, then the ordered pair 0 I belongs to R, then only 0 is related to y. Therefore, if y is equal to 1 or y is equal to minus 1, then 0 is related to 1. These are two real numbers. If y takes any one of the value 1 or minus 1, then the ordered pair 0 y belongs to the set R, that is 0 and y are related. Thank you, student.